In this video, I will show you how I was able to earn more than $19,000 in just 9 months, working 3 hours a day on my side hustle every day before going to my 9-to-5 job. I will also show you how you can duplicate my work so you don't have to start from scratch. What's up friends, Amar here, and before I show you the method and explain it to you, let me show you some earning proof. And please keep in mind that everything I'm doing here, anyone can do it. It does not require exceptional skills or expensive tools. So as a Warrior Plus vendor, I was able to earn more than $11,000. As a Warrior Plus affiliate selling other people products, I was able to earn more than $4,000, and I was able to generate more than $3,000 on Leads Leap as an affiliate, which gives us a total of more than $19,000. So this is Warrior Plus, one of my favorite affiliate networks, and if I go as a vendor and check the stats, and then I want to check the stats from January 1st this year until today, and I click go, you can see that the results are more than $11,000. And if I check the stats as an affiliate, here I click and I check from January 1st this year as well until today, click go, you can see that there are more than $4,000 in earnings as an affiliate selling other offers from other people. Now if we go to the network Leads Leap, which is the main tool that I'm using to create my pages and also my lists and follow-up email series, and I refresh the earnings page, you can see that I earned more than $3,000. Now before I explain the strategy I'm using to make those commissions, let me just remind you that you can duplicate my work so you don't start from scratch. I have more than 12 mini funnels like this that you can entirely duplicate and use for yourself. So please check the link in the description to have access to all the funnels. I call it the free offer strategy. So I do some research and find questions, problems that people are struggling with, and then I do some research to find the perfect solution for that problem or answer for that question, and then I make a report or an ebook to answer the questions or resolve the problems for that audience. After making the report, I will also record a video that explains step by step how to resolve the problem or answer the question, and then I build the funnel just like this. Every funnel has a capture page to collect emails and a thank you page to deliver the solution to their problem. So as I told you before, I record a video to answer their questions or to show them how to resolve the problem. I offer also a downloadable ebook or report, and at the same time I recommend these 3 programs or tools that will help them resolve their problem. So how it works is that I send traffic to the capture page. They will be able to enter their email address to access the thank you page. So I am building my own email list. And keep in mind that when you duplicate my work, you will be building your own email list, not mine. So I send them a welcome email, a first email that will send them to the thank you page where they can consume the content. And there are also 9 automatic follow-up email series that will go out every day to send them back to the thank you page that you will be able also to rebrand and duplicate and rebrand with your affiliate links for the tools I am recommending. The good thing about this system and all the 12 actually funnels that I am offering below this video is that every time you collect an email, it will be entered to your email address, and right away they will be redirected to a bridge page, which is your affiliate link for the funnel. So we share the profits, you and me, 50-50. So you keep your leads for yourself, you build your own email list, and also all the commissions generated on the thank you page will be yours because you will rebrand the thank you page with all your affiliate links. Now for the specific example that we just saw, this is the capture page that you will be able to instantly import to your account and rebrand to build your own email list, of course. And if your visitors will click on this button here, there will be this pop-up form asking them for their email address, and if they enter their email address, two things will happen. The first one will be that an email will be sent to their inbox to send them to the thank you page, this thank you page here, that you will be able to import instantly and then rebrand with your affiliate links on all the buttons that are on this thank you page. They will be able to watch the video which will take them step by step to resolve their problem, and also they will be able to download the ebook, and there are no links inside of the ebook. Now the second thing that will happen when they insert their email addresses, they will be redirected to the sales page where we share the income, you and me, 50-50. So if they buy, they will have also lots of things that they can have when they purchase. If they buy, you will make 50% commission, and I will make 50% commission. And as you can see, they will have the share codes to import the capture page, the thank you page, the 9-day follow-up email series. There will be a video training, auto approval for the 50% commission, the report source file as docx, and they will have also a set of graphics and banners and the private label rights. As you can see, this is the system, how it works. This is the video, and these are all the graphics that they will receive when they purchase this offer here for only $7. Now before we continue, let me ask you for a huge favor. If you like my work, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, and leave comments or questions below this video. Don't hesitate to go to the description and click the link there to find out about the 12 funnels that I am talking about here, and also please give me your questions in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. The tool that we are looking at right now is called Hix, and I will leave a link in the description below. Is a great tool to generate content for ebooks or for articles or for content to generate traffic to your funnels. So let me just show you what kind of content you can generate. These are all the things that I generated so far. So if I click, for example, on this one here, this is the kind of content that it generates for you automatically. Let me go back and click something else. Let's go here, maximizing profit or passive income. These are very high quality articles that you can use. And to generate traffic, actually I use Hix to generate some content, and then I use it on medium.com. As you can see, this is medium.com. I have an account on this, and look, these are notifications that people are interacting with your content. So if I go to my profile, I am posting content on a regular basis, and Hix.ai helps me a lot to generate the content. So as you can see, 21 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, and 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. These articles, actually, I generate them from Hix.ai. I do some customizations, but you can see people are highlighting some of the content. If they like it, they highlight it. And also, if I click here on the notification, I see that people are following me and clapping for my content. That's the first traffic source. And the second one I'm using is actually YouTube. This is my channel. It's a faceless channel. I just explain the methods and strategies I'm using, and as you can see, 11 days ago, 13 days ago, 2 weeks ago, I am posting on a regular basis videos that can help my audience and also drives me traffic. So please don't hesitate to click the link in the description below. Find out about the 12 plus mini funnels that I am using, and of course we can share the income together 50-50. You build your own email list and we share the income. Thank you very much for making it so far, and I will see you on the next video.